Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Technical Speaks. In this video we are going to learn about the uses of this final and super keywords in Java programming language. Before going further, if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you are really want to learn Java from core basis. So now let's start with these keywords. In Java, that is reference variable that refers to the current object, that's all. Now the next point is what are the uses of these keywords in Java. First, these keywords can be used to refer to a current class instance variables. It means if there is ambiguity between the instance variables and parameters, this keyword resolves the problems of ambiguity. Second, this can be used to invoke the current class constructor. If you have not watched our videos on constructor, I suggest you watch that videos. I will drop a link to that the video is the descriptions. Now what this means is that is constructor call can be used to invoke the current class constructor. It is used to reuse the constructor. Third, this keyword can be used to invoke current class method. It means we can invoke the method to the current class by using this method. If you don't use these keywords, the compiler automatically adds these keywords while invoking the methods. Fourth, this can be passed as an argument in the method call. Here it means that these keywords can also be passed as an argument in the methods. Fifth, this can be passed as an argument in the constructor call. What means here is we can pass these keywords in the constructor also. It is used if we have to use one object in multiple classes. Sixth, this keyword can also be used to return the current class instance. This means we can return these keywords as a statement from the method. In such a case, the return type of the method must be the class type, which is non-primitive type. So this is all about the uses of these keywords in Java. Now the second keywords we have the final keyword. So the final keyword is used to restrict the user. The Java final keywords can be used in many contexts. Final can be variables, method and class. The final keywords can be applied with the variables. A final variable that has no value is called a blank final variables or uninitialized final variables. The blank final variables can be static also, which will be initialized in the static block only. Let's see example of each. First one is Java final variables. If you make any variable final, you can't change the value of the final variables, it will be constant. Example, public class final demo, final int speed is equal to 80. This is the final variables. Void run speed is equal to 100. The value of the speed will be 18 if it will not be changed. Second one we have Java final method. If you make any methods and final, you can't override it. Class, example class bike, void final void run, this is a final method. Class bullet extends bike, void run, so here we can't override it. The third one is Java final class. If you make any class final, you can't extend it. Example, final class Facebook, class ABC extend Facebook, it's give the compilations error. So this is how we use the final keywords in Java programming language. Last one we have super keywords. The super keywords refers to the object of immediate parent class. The keyword super came into the picture with the concept of inheritance. If you did not watch my videos on Java inheritance, I suggest you go and watch that videos. You can find the link of that video in the description of this video. Now the next thing is what are the uses of super keywords. First, super keywords can be used to refer to the immediate parent class instance variables. What this means is we can use super keywords to access the data members or fields of the parent class. It is used if parent class and child class have the same field. Let's try to understand with an example. Class animal, string color is equal to white color. Class dog, extend animals, string color is equal to black. Void print color, system.out.println color. This will print the color of dog class, and if we write the same like system.out.println super.color, this will print the color of animal class. Class test super1, public static void main string arguments dog d is equal to new dog d dot print color. When we run the code, we can see the output as black and next is white. Hope you get the point with exactly the super keywords does here. When we applied the super keyword, it accessed the field of the parent class. Second point is super can be used to invoke immediate parent class method. It means the super keywords can also be used to invoke the parent class method. It should be used if the subclass contains the same method as parent class. In other words, it is used if the method is overridden. Let's see the example for this. Class animal, void eat, system.out.println eating. Class dog extends animal, void eat, system.out.println eating bread. Void work, super.eat bark. Class test super2, public static void main string arguments dog d is equal to new dog d dot work. When we run the code, we can see the output as eating and next is barking. In the above example, animal the dog, both classes have the eat method. If we can eat method from the dog class, it will call the eat method of dog class by default. Because priority is given to locals to call the parent class method, we need to use super keywords. This is how we can use super keywords in Java. So friends, that's all in this video. I hope you understand the uses of this final and super keywords in Java through these video lectures. If you want to the source code and notes of this video, then check the description of this video code and notes as all. Friends, if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, like our videos and don't miss our videos, because each and every video is important if you are really curious to learn Java programming language. Also share our videos with friends and family and support us. Thanks for watching, and for more updates subscribe to our channel and learn more. Thank you.